Hope everyone had lunch. Though it is a chai break, hope you guys had lunch. So welcome you all for the third session. I also have Uma here to start the session. Hi, Uma.
Hi.
Guys, are you able to hear it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thanks for confirming. So Uma, over to you. So what is this today's session is about?
So today's session is about building web apps using Firebase Studio. So Firebase Studio is a tool built by Google. It is used to prototype the web apps, like with the prompts. With the prompts, it gives the prototype very quickly. So shall I proceed?
Yes, Uma, you can start.
So this is the landing page of Firebase Studio. To log in, you need to click Get Started. Click Confirm. And then here you can start prompting. If you need a lot of workspaces, then you can use this to create a new workspace.
So you can share this link in the chat box.
Yes. So now I'll just give a prompt. Like I need to build a course generator app, and I want to store all those courses in the Firebase database. So I'll give this, and I'll click Prototype with AI. So first it gives you the tech stack and all, the color theme, whichever it's going to use. And then you, if you're okay with this, you can click this prototype, this app. This takes around 3 to 5 minutes. So I have already kept this ready. So this is how my app looks like. So here you'll need a Gemini API key. Not only Gemini, you can use any other LLM models here. You can create your own API key by going to makersuit.com. Here, if you click Get API and create API, you'll get an API key.
Uma, just a question. Can you please explain why do we need an API key and what is the purpose of the API key in this?
So API key is, we are using the LLM model here with this API key. So it is used to generate the course material in this particular thing. Okay, fine. So here, either you can create API key with this, or here you can give auto generate. So by the time it creates this, I will show you about the Firebase. So Firebase is generally used for database. You can have authentication, create a Firestore database here, and it has many other features. So this is how the landing page looks like. So it has created the API key, and now I'll give us. So to view the code, you will have to just click on this switch to code, and you will have all the codes here. And to connect to database, we need the credentials. So in Firebase Studio, the credentials will not be updated automatically. So you have to do it manually. I'll show you how it's done. Then to go back to the prototype, we should click this.
Where it's the right part there.
Okay. So if you get any error, you'll be shown here like I have detected an error, and then it will give you like 3 options: fix error, dismiss, and all. So if you click fix error, it will automatically fix those errors for you in Firebase Studio. So it has created a project in the Firebase. Now we need to put the credentials in the .env file. So for this, I'll just click the switch to code, which is on the top right. And then I'll go to Firebase console. So here, you can see your project is already created. Now you just click on it. And within this project, you need to create a web app. So for that, click on this web option. Give any name. And here you'll get all these credentials. Just copy this for now. And then click on continue to console. Now we need to create a database here. So for that, I am going to this Cloud Firestore. Here, click on create database. So leave this as default for now. Like if you have more than one database per project, then you will have to name it. I'll keep it in test mode. So what is so the difference between test and production mode is test mode is it does not have any much restrictions. So you can it's better to keep it in test mode while you're creating it. Then while deploying, you can go to production mode. So now your database is created. So we will have to give the credentials here. either you can do it this way, or you see this Gemini option here. Here you can just give these credentials and tell it to give the updated file. So after updating this, I'll just say I have updated the credentials to let it acknowledge if the credentials are there. Okay, so now just test it. This one, okay.
So by the time it's loading, anybody have any question or you want to ask? So if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. We can talk. They're not to me. Is it clear for everyone? Shan, Nisha, Srini?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I think the name has to be changed. That's what it's getting at.
You got it.
So it's coming like this. Now let's check if it's in the database. Yeah, so now it's stored in the database, all the course materials. So this is how it basically works. And then you can make changes with the prompts here according to your wish, however you want. Any questions?
Uma, so don't we need to publish or do anything for it? Because I was trying this same model actually.
Okay. Yes. For,
While publishing, there will be a paid version, right?
yes. So for publishing in Firebase Studio, you don't have a free version, but for a GCP account, you'll have this $300 free credits. So you can use that for now. So this publishing will not take $300, so it will be less than that.
Okay, got it. So after publishing only people can use it, right? Otherwise nobody can use it like that, right?
So we are not requiring you to publish your work. So
Okay.
the work you've done will be stored in your workspaces.
Okay.
So you can get it to a level where you feel you can demo and showcase the project.
Okay. Okay.
So that is enough for your submission.
Okay. Okay. Got it, Vairish. So no need to publish. We can just create it and store it in our.
Yeah, up to a level where you can demo the project.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Got it. Yeah. Thanks.
Any other questions? Doubt or clarification you want, or want to know more about hackathon? Those who registered, do you have any question?
This is Sean here.
Yes, sir.
There is an option called importing a project. Okay? So if we have a project which has been already done, and if we want to import that to this particular tool, can we do that? Or we can only do a fresh project.
So, I'm not sure about importing a project. So right now, what I know is we can create the prototypes from the scratch with the prompts.
Okay. Okay.
Thanks, Shan. So, any other questions, or you want to know more about those who registered and those who are waiting for registration? Shweta, Shashi from Mangalpuram. Okay.
No, not for right now. I don't have any questions.
So I think we don't have any question, and people are very smart, so they understood, I believe. So maybe like once they start creating a tool, maybe we'll get more questions. Or anything? Nisha, yes, Nisha.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask whether we have to only use that cloud or we can use the drive option also.
Like where is it?
If my data is in Google Drive or something like that. You're connecting database, right? The cloud one.
Yeah, I'm using Firestore to connect the database.
Okay.
You can connect it to Drive also, but for storage you will need the cloud space.
Okay.
Like you also have this cloud bucket storage here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you can use that. So here you'll have the storage option. So, I mean, it's not in a free plan. Yeah, you can use this if you want.
Okay. So cloud is free, right? If storage is there, then we have to get that this one paid
Actually,
version.
yes, you need a billing account. So once you create a billing account, you'll have free credits. Up to a limit you can store.
Okay.
Any idea of how much storage can have for this free account?
For Firestore, it's 1 GIB. GIB is like GB bytes. And for cloud storage, it's 5 GB. And you can check this if you want. You go to this page, you'll have all the details, like how much in this free plan. You can check all the
1
details.
GB. Okay, no cost.
Can you repeat it?
1 GIB it's saying. No cost
Yes.
up to 1 GIB.
1 GIB comes a little greater than 1 GB, like 1.07 GB.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any other question or any clarification? So anyhow, thanks. Yeah, I think.
So, Gangashi, maybe you can circulate the attendees survey.
Yeah, sure. Just put it in the chat. Yeah.
Yeah, we also have a quick registration link. So all you need is your team name and your captain name. So with that you can register, and we'll follow up with you for the rest of the details. So you can register quickly. Get this link.
Sorry, Vaidish, I heard you the last line what you said. We can register. So without adding a topic as well.
Sorry.
So do we need to add a topic while registering?
Yeah. So the quick link which Gangashi is now going to share.
Yeah.
For that, with your team name and your team captain name, you can register without an idea for now.
Okay. So what is the date for the idea finalization and when?
Yeah, the date remains the same. We just want to get more interest and enthusiasm going. So that's why we built this quick registration.
Okay. I have not yet registered so far. I was waiting like what will be the process.
Yeah. You can use this link to register your interest. We'll get back to you on that.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Yep.
Thanks.
Okay, Vaidish, Sean here. I have one question.
Yeah, Sean.
I'm ready with the project idea and everything. And
Right.
me, myself and one more person who's already joined, but I'm waiting for the third person to join.
Right.
So what can be done in this case?
So you can register using the quick registration link for now, and keep searching for another person to join your team.
Sure. Thank you.
You have time till 15, so you have another week or so.
Okay.
Okay, thank you all. Still, if you have any question, you can feel free to connect on DC Live as well as also the Chai Break website. So yeah, there you have any inquiry link. So feel free to ask your question. Thanks for joining the session, and all the 3 sessions recorded will also post it on DC Live as well as in the internal WhatsApp group and the Slack. So you can go through the links, and you can, if you have any question, you can come back to us. Thank you all for joining. Have a good day. Thanks, Uma.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.